If you have a standalone PedalMonster kit in your car or truck, this is how it's currently wired. If you upgrade this system, adding an iDash, you'll first remove the short 4 to 6 pin adapter. You will no longer need it. Store it in your glove box or workbench. Now make sure you get the right iDash upgrade kit. The correct upgrade kit will include a 6-pin extension harness. Now that the OBD cable is no longer connected to the PedalMonster, you'll connect it to your new iDash, and your new 6-pin extension cable will run from your iDash back down to your PedalMonster. If you don't have the extension cable, then it's likely that you purchased the wrong kit. Not to worry, we have these cables in stock and we'd be happy to send you one. With a properly wired system, you'll have an OBD cable going from the OBD port to the iDash, and the 6-pin extension cable going from the iDash to the PedalMonster. Now, if you upgrade the system later with a Derringer, an analog module, or an air mouse, the cable from this sensor will plug into the extra port in the PedalMonster.